that are spoiled for choice. We were invited for a potluck tonight and I was told just 3 words. I was told fancy, I was told Thai, and I was told main course. Whoever does that, but I'm not going to be slaving away to cook a fancy meal. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we take a star like salmon and create magic with it. Now the trick to a fancy, stylish salmon is that you bake everything in the oven at the same time, creating a star quality meal. So out here I've got a fillet of salmon, enough for about 8 to 10 people. And now to create that marinade that just nestles on top and bakes to perfection. The trick is all in the marinade. So into a bowl goes in about 40 to 50 mils of sweet chili sauce. It has that lovely sweet texture with the juice of 1 lime. Some Thai ginger, just about 4 tablespoons finely chopped, a tablespoon of lemongrass finely chopped, 6 to 7 bird-eye chilies for that heat, garlic, about 8 cloves of garlic, the rind of 1 lemon just roughly chopped up, and some cilantro going in. We're going to slather all this now with a splash of extra virgin olive oil, emulsify it with a whisk, just put it on top of the fish. I want the first level of seasoning to be really strong, so Szechuan pink peppercorn sea salt perfectly slathered on the fish. And then we're going to pick this up and just nestle it on top. So just pour it and brush it all through and through. Take every last bit of that gorgeous marinade and just brush it all around. Sprinkle some more Szechuan pink peppercorn sea salt on top. The vegetables are just a medley of sorts. So I've got some red pepper, yellow pepper, zucchini, baby potato, and some water chestnuts. But the marinade is the kicker. So about a tablespoon of garlic paste, 4 sprigs of rosemary going in, a generous helping of some celery sea salt, and a splash of some regular olive oil. You just mix this really well together and dunk your vegetables in and give it a good, nice tossing. So first goes 500 grams of 80% done baby potatoes, 1 green zucchini, and I love the very different textures that come into it. So 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, about 150 grams of water chestnuts, and we're just going to toss it all together. Layer the vegetables on a bake tray and they all go into the oven at the same time to bake. At 160 degrees centigrade for just about 25 minutes. Ain't this a most simplest and easy way to cook a starry meal? The best way to know that your salmon is perfectly done is when it shrinks and has that little bit of crust on the top. Bubbling hot out of the oven, I'm just going to sprinkle it with an overload of some dill to give it that perfect flavor, because dill and salmon, a match made in heaven. All the vegetables need are a sprinkling of some cilantro on top. You want a burst of freshness coming through with these ruby red jewels. Having nailed this spot on, and 3 key points, that is classy, Thai, and a main course done in about 25 to 30 minutes flat. Ain't that what cooking is truly about, where you exploit ingredients yet keeping the salmon the true star of the dish. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. A simple starry creation, but the end result, a highly fragrant meal. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, and more importantly, don't forget to leave a note below.